Think ahead and make the right decisions in this strategy, focus, and attention game. The game includes illustrated rules, 56 blocks, 4 block trays, and 1 bag. Your objective is to be the first player to empty your tray by playing all of your blocks in sets and runs in the middle of the table. A set is made of 3 or 4 blocks or stacks of blocks of different colors and the same height. A run is made of 3 to 7 blocks or stacks of blocks of the same color in ascending order. First, place a block tray in front of each player. Then, each player randomly draws 10 blocks from the bag and places them on their tray without revealing them to the other players. On each player's first turn of the game, they must play a run or set with a total sum of 15 or more. If they cannot, the player on their right draws them a new block from the bag at random. After the first turn, and on all following turns, players must do one of the following actions. Play one new run or set onto the table, or rearrange the blocks already on the table. If a player chooses to rearrange the blocks, they must add at least one new block from their tray onto the table. Blocks already in play must remain on the table. At the end of the turn, all blocks must be part of a valid run or set. You will be amazed at the magic of this game when you discover the potential of dismantling runs and sets and combining them into new ones.